guys, welcome back to my channel. And how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the magical benefits of bay leaf, different ways you can use bay leaf for your skincare, your hair care, the spiritual benefits as well. No one else has told you about this, trust me. So if this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end.
Bay leaf has been used in ancient times to treat illnesses related to liver, to stomach, to kidney. It has also been used to treat diabetes, indigestion, infection, flu, cold, cancer, and heart-related issues. Try eating bay leaf every day for 30 days and see the magic it will work in your overall health. I do eat bay leaf every day since I learned about this recipe, and it has so been helpful. If you have flu, you have infection, you have COVID, eat one bay leaf daily and you see the magic that will happen to your body, at least for 30 days.
Trust me, chewing bay leaf is very beneficial to your general health. Though it might seem as if it's bitter, but you shouldn't look at the bitter part of it. Look at the health benefits, what you will achieve by chewing bay leaf, at least one leaf every day.
Another magical benefit of bay leaf is for you to drink bay leaf tea at least 3 times daily. It will help you to get rid of stubborn belly fat. It will lower your blood sugar levels if you are having diabetes. It will improve your digestion if you have infection, you have flu, you have cold. Trust me, bay leaf tea will help to take care of it as well. All you just need to do is for you to take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So to come up with this tea, all you just need is just like 5 leaves of bay leaf, but feel free to double it, and you are going to be adding 1 stick of cinnamon stick, and you are just going to be adding a clean table water. So I'm using 1 glass of clean table water, and the next thing is for you to allow it to boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes. When you are done, your tea is ready. It is very enjoyable, so you can choose to add honey to it. So I love to add honey to mine, at least to sweeten it a little bit. So guys, don't look at the expression on my face. Just look at the health benefits. Trust me, the taste is so good. Look at the health benefits, not the taste. Another magical benefit of bay leaf is for you to write whatever you wish on a bay leaf, burn it, and watch your wish come to pass. Believe it or not, beside bay leaf benefiting your health, this really works. All you just need to do is just to write whatever you wish, apply your faith on it, and burn it. Watch your wish come to pass. So another magical benefit of bay leaf is for you to place bay leaf under your pillow to induce a prophetic dream. If you want answers to a particular issue bothering you, just give this a try and thank me later. This might sound funny, but sure, it does work. Just pray over the bay leaf, apply your faith on it, place it under your pillow, and watch the magic happen. Another magical benefit of bay leaf is burning bay leaf in your house to get rid of dark energy. Allow the smoke to fill the atmosphere. In that way, it will help to get rid of every negativity and bring positivity into your home. After burning this bay leaf, you are going to notice an entirely different atmosphere that is so calming, that is so pleasant, full of positive energy. Seriously, you really need to try this out. The aroma is really amazing, and the effect is magical. Inhaling the smoke as well will do you a lot good because of the compounds bay leaf contains. Inhaling bay leaf helps to calm the body and mind. It relieves you of stress. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory agent that helps with joint pains. That is, if you are experiencing joint pains. It also helps you to meditate and concentrate. It also helps to get rid of incense, but when you are burning bay leaf, you just have to be cautious. Do not burn bay leaf near a smoke detector. For your hair care, bay leaf improves the health of your hair follicles and helps to eliminate dandruff. Just steam your bay leaf and use the water to apply on your scalp, but make sure the water cools off before you do that after shampooing your hair. It will also help to regrow your hair. For your skincare, bay leaf can be used as a skin toner. I made the video here on my channel. I will drop the link below the description box. It can help to control acne. If you have bruises or you have insect bites, bay leaf water will help to treat it as well. So you can also put bay leaves in your wallet to attract good things, to attract favor, to attract success. It mustn't be all about money. Everything is not all about money, but putting bay leaves in your wallet helps to attract good luck. It helps to attract success. It helps to attract favor. So this is what I have for you guys today. So you can try out the health benefit, the spiritual benefit, the skincare benefit, and the hair care benefit. Of course, I would love to know if it worked for you in the comment section below, or if you have tried any of these things that I mentioned, any of these remedies that I mentioned using bay leaf. I would also love to know in the comment section below and the outcome. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notifications. Thank you so much for sticking around, and bye bye. See you in my next video.